Is this carbon fiber steering wheel the ultimate interior upgrade for your Dodge Charger, Challenger, Durango, or Jeep Grand Cherokee? This D-shaped, flat-bottom wheel promises a premium feel and a sportier driving experience, and honestly, it looks the part. Crafted from 3K glossy carbon fiber with a protective epoxy resin coating, it boasts high heat and corrosion resistance, and the weave is impressively symmetrical. No weird twists here. The D-shape is a game-changer for legroom, especially for those of us who are a bit taller or just appreciate not feeling cramped. And the Napa perforated leather grip. It feels fantastic in your hands, hand-stitched by craftsmen, and it's designed to wick away sweat, which is a huge plus for spirited driving. That touch of red stitching really does add a nice sporty flair, making the interior pop. Installation is straightforward as it's designed as a direct fitment for 2015-2020 Dodge models and 2014-2020 Jeep Grand Cherokees, covering all trims from SXD to Hellcat. The trim pieces are replacements, not just covers, which means a much cleaner and more integrated look. The 3D carbon fiber texture on the trim complements the wheel perfectly, giving that authentic carbon fiber look and feel. Overall, this EASS-AFEX steering wheel seems to deliver on its promise of a premium, sporty upgrade. It's a significant aesthetic and tactile improvement over a stock wheel, offering both style and enhanced comfort for the driver. If you're looking to elevate your interior and add a touch of racing-inspired luxury, this carbon fiber wheel is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.